Hello everyone. Welcome to our new video. Today we'll take a look at the top 5 best home blue LED light kit that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5. Crest 3D White Whitestrips with Light. Crest Whitestrips are the at-home tooth system that most people are familiar with because of the popularity of their range of toothcare products. This product is widely available and is a very affordable at-home kit. The Whitestrips kit offers tooth strip technology with the bonus of blue LED light to improve the effectiveness of the strips dramatically. The handheld light system is easy to use and gives you dramatically better compared to using the Whitestrips alone. You may start to see results after just one treatment, and once all of the treatments have completed, you'll be amazed at the results. Similar to other at-home kits, you'll need to be careful not to get the gel on your lips. The high-performance gel can cause mild, temporary sensitivity. At number 4. Shine Whitening Teeth Whitening Kit. This at-home LED whitening kit from Shine offers professional quality results by effectively whitening teeth quickly and easily. The kit comes with 2 pre-packaged syringes containing the whitening gel so that you can easily fill the whitening trays without the mess and hassle of other tooth whitening systems. This kit also comes with remineralization gel, which is a great feature. As you have seen, we rate the products which help keep teeth healthy and feeling good between treatments very highly. You'll need to cut the tabs off the trays once they have been molded, so they fit in your mouth correctly. They are there to help you customize the trays to your teeth but then are not necessary afterwards. You won't be able to insert the light into your mouth if you don't cut the tabs off. At number 3. Glow Brilliant Deluxe Teeth Whitening Device Kit. A beautiful, healthy, white smile has the power to change your life and make you light up, inside and out. Forget about uncomfortable trays, runny gels, and messy strips. Our patented glow vials are designed to let you easily brush on our specially formulated, sensitivity-free, no-drip hydrogen peroxide teeth whitening gel. It only takes seconds to apply and it stays on your teeth without running onto your gums. Clinically proven, patented, and award-winning teeth whitener that's easy to use and pain-free. Now that's something to smile about. Asterisk No Sensitivity Glow is specially formulated and designed to be sensitivity-free. Asterisk Remove Years of Stains Glow is clinically proven to whiten your teeth better than strips, trays, and other whitening systems. Asterisk Trusted by dental professionals. Glow is the brand trusted by thousands of dental professionals for use in their dental practices. At number 2. Whole Mart Dental Tooth Polishing Tool Oral. Accelerator light improves the process while breaking down stains on the tooth surface and whiten faster. Our new design contains 6 powerful LED bulbs for brighter and faster, more effective results compared to low-quality competitor lights with a fewer bulbs. Light must be used with gel, which is sold separately. Point LED light onto while process to improve and speed up results, just like at the dental. This is a top-quality Elegant Edition LED accelerator with high-intensity light. Impressive 6 LED bulb accelerator is highly efficient. This impressive white accelerator light includes batteries with up to 72 hours of continuous use. Finally at number 1. EverWhite TM Accelerator Light. A light. This light works best when gel is applied to your using a mouth tray, not included, a pen or gel syringes. We recommend our gel, which is sold separately. The light can be tucked just behind the lips so it rests comfortably and shines on the front of your. Alternatively, you may hold the light by hand to whiten. The light can be used for short sessions of just 10 minutes or up to 45+ minutes, depending on the instructions provided by the gel you use. Directions for your first use: open the back of the LED light and remove the plastic tab below the batteries. The device will not work if this plastic tab is not removed. Make sure both batteries are face down with the flat side of the batteries facing toward you. Put the light into your mouth with your lips over the light and press the power button. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.